what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel if you're new. My name is Karina and today we are doing a video that I kind of been trying to push for the longest. I am decluttering my closet. I have been just in this space where I'm really craving change and a lot of the things in my wardrobe, I'm not finding inspiration and I just kind of wanted to change it up a bit. So yeah, that is what we're doing and it is actually very perfect because today's video is sponsored by Poshmark. Y'all, I have been a member with Poshmark since 2017. I always purchase things from Poshmark as well as sell things on Poshmark. I just feel like it's a great overall app to buy and resell items and get them at such a real affordable price. And for me, I just always think Poshmark is easier to navigate and I love that they have their offer feature. Especially me, I'm always trying to bargain. I think it's just a great way if you're looking into, you know, maybe getting rid of some clothes and make a little bit extra cash. And it's easy, you can just download Poshmark, take a photo of your items and list it and basically pretty much good to go. Don't forget to download Poshmark. I'll leave my link in the description box down below and you can shop my closet. A lot of the clothing items that I'm going to declutter will be on there, so definitely check it out. And I believe when this video goes up live, I'll have a lot of the items on Poshmark, so don't forget to check out my closet. Now it's time to get into decluttering my space, which I'm honestly a little nervous about. Just quickly want to mention, if you haven't seen my closet declutters before, is that my closet is in the hallway because I made my room into the living room space, and so that's the closest closet to me, okay? All right, so now let's get into this closet declutter. All right, let's go into my closet and just get everything out because I feel like that's the only way I can see everything and just decide what I don't need and what I do need. And I'm gonna put everything in this couch right here. So you're gonna see that that couch is gonna disappear. Let's go. Let me just quickly show you everything. It's not almost everything because I left some of my pajamas in there, but it's a lot, so let me show you. So here is all the clothes. Can you even see my couch? I don't even think you can see my couch. Yeah, so we need to get through all of this and just get rid of a lot of things immediately. What did I get myself into? I'm aiming to get like at least half of it, you know, either donated or put on my Poshmark, and then have like half of my closet. So that's the aim today. Homegirl got lots of clothes, okay? Definitely keeping this top. It was gifted to me by a friend here on YouTube, Margot Roth. She sent me like a cute little mystery box and I really love this top. It's like the perfect summer shimmy top and it is a zebra print, which y'all know is my vibe. So I'm keeping this one for me. This top, oh my god y'all, I've had it for the longest. Here's this other top. It's like a little crop top and it's in this burnt orange color. I love the little puff sleeves. I think it's a perfect fall top, but I haven't really worn it in a while, so I think this one I'm gonna Poshmark it. Honestly, love this freaking sick sweater. I just love the knit work. Keeping it. It's been hot up in here, especially without an AC. Michael Simon, keep it. I was getting into like a lot of the mesh style tops and I ended up thrifting like 3 of them and only liked 1 of them. So this one I'm gonna put on my Poshmark. Use this often. I think it's really fun, especially for the fall. Keep it. This one I thrifted when that like cardigan was a thing. But the thing is, it just never fit me right, and this I wish it was bigger on me. So I'm gonna Poshmark this one. Okay, so all of these, like this sweater, just wasn't really my vibe. So I'm gonna take this on Poshmark. With these pieces, these are just like these puff sleeve tops. They were just a little too fitted on me, and for that reason I don't really pick them that much. So yeah, I'm gonna put these ones on Poshmark as well. I used to be a big fan of cardigans, but lately it's just been like, So this one, gonna have to put on Poshmark. You know what? I didn't put deodorant. Let me be right back. I showered and got ready but forgot to put deodorant. So here's an example of what I was saying earlier about like liking the mesh style trend and trying it for myself, trying to thrift it. And I really love this top. I love how it's all florals and it has like the scallop lattice hem, but I'm just not a big fan of the wrap style on myself personally. So for this one, I'm definitely just gonna have to put it on Poshmark. So I kind of just know by looking at these. This one right here, I just never really wore. I got it like in a thrift box or something. I think it's really cute. I think it's like a version of the Grateful Dead, but just never really wore it. So this one going on there. I don't know why I got it. I really love the color, but it's 3/4 of the sleeves, and I'm just not a big fan of 3/4 of a quarter sleeves. Same with this one. It's like a knitted sweater in this baby blue color, but it's a wrap top, and I'm just don't like that style, so I don't even know why I try to make myself like that. You know, for me, I really think that like in order to find kind of your wardrobe or your style, it is a lot of trial and error and just like testing out all different fashion types or styles and seeing what works for you. So I feel like that is definitely my style, and it's always evolving, and I'm always trying new things because I like to get out of my comfort zone. Decluttering my closet, I'm really just trying to think about like, okay, what is some reasons why you wouldn't wear this? Like if you're wearing this out and this is supposed to be like a night piece, why would you not pick this over another item? And so I'm really just trying to question why wouldn't you wear it, because I feel like a lot of the times it's just like I kept things because people gave them to me, or because like I felt bad for decluttering them, or because I thought of certain scenarios that I might just wear this to. And in all actuality, like especially the past year, that really didn't happen. So I'm just trying to be more zoned in and just trying to be like really critical and brutal with the items. So I've been more interested in basics with like a twist. So that's why a lot of the basics that I already had, I'm kind of just like, okay, I think it's time to go. And I think this one I'm just gonna donate back. Because like sometimes, yeah, I want to sell all the good stuff on Poshmark, but as my friend Macy would say, you gotta give the good shit to get the good shit. So we can finally see the couch now, which that's good. Love this. I actually cropped it myself. I'm planning to wear these to Disneyland pretty soon. Well, when you saw this, I went to Disneyland, so maybe I did wear them. I'm gonna get rid of some green, y'all, which is a little hurtful, but I feel like it's time for me to, you know, pass these on. I think it's really fun. It's bedazzled, but just wasn't my cup of tea. Poshmarking it. Cupid. Michael Simon pieces, so dear to my heart. Oh, bodysuit. Put these on Poshmark and then keep this one. We got through the clothes from the closet, so now I'm gonna go quickly through my clothes right here, which is I have sweaters, skirts, pants, and jeans. So I'm just quickly gonna go through real quick, see what I like. I feel like a lot of the times with bottoms, I just don't declutter as much because I feel like I don't have that much variety in bottoms versus tops. A black skirt and a brown mini skirt, yes. Green and pink, always use. This one, yes. I wanted to love, y'all. It is so beautiful. It's in that like Hawaiian print, and it also has shorts. So it's like a mini skirt with shorts. We love that. But this one just didn't fit me. It was too tight. I felt like I couldn't sit comfortable in it. It says it's a size 16, but I feel like it's more like a 14, like 14 wide. So I'm definitely just gonna have to put this one on Poshmark. It's really cute, y'all. And a skirt, just not for me anymore. I might wear this as a dress and try it out. And if I don't like it, then I'll Poshmark it. These trousers, because they were green, but they're just not the color that I like. So these ones I'm gonna put on Poshmark. There's a couple jeans that I know I'm gonna declutter. For instance, these black ones from Wild Fable. I love these. These are the high skater, high rise. They're just so perfect. But the thing is, they were just too small on the waist. It's just not comfortable for me. So these are basically brand new. I got them on Poshmark. So I'm gonna reposh it. And then these ones I had for quite some time now. They were just a little bit too tight, but I love the way these fit. Like, they have a nice booty. They're definitely like those mom style jeans. So if you're like a size 14, I definitely recommend these. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna go through my t-shirts real quick for sleeping and my sweaters. A lot of the sweaters I do end up keeping because they're usually UCLA sweaters, and it's just like a connection that I have with my university, and I do like to wear them here and there. Luigi always says, like, you know, when you're there, that's all you freaking wear. And then we'll come back and I'll show you literally the piles of clothes that I have. Right here, there's two piles, right? So that is my Poshmark pile and that is my keep pile. Look at all those freaking hangers. It's insane. Right here, I have my donation pile. And then I have my maybe pile, which I think I'm only gonna keep the long sleeve. And here's just my bottoms that I'm keeping. I'm pretty happy with the outcome right now. Put some music on and just put everything away. And then I'll show you how everything looks in my closet. And I'm hoping it's gonna look good. So let's get to it. So I literally just finished putting everything away and organizing it, and it feels really nice. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I've been very productive today. So I kind of wanted to show you my bags and show you my closet real quick. Here's how my closet is looking like now. I know that you probably don't see a difference, but honestly, before I couldn't move these, there was literally no gaps. So it's really nice. I basically color coded the tops right here. And then over here I have just dresses, also in color coded. And these ones, and I basically organized it how I already had it. Jeans, pants, skirts, and then down here I have my bathrobe, sleep pajama tops, sleep pajama bottoms, my UCLA t-shirts, bras, sweaters right here, and all like sweater bottoms or pajama bottoms right here. Not the cleanest. I'm not really good at folding, as you can tell, but all done. Whole 3 bags are gonna go on Poshmark, and these I'm gonna end up donating. So yeah, that was a lot of stuff, y'all. Honestly, I think it took me longer to put away the stuff than to declutter it. So yeah, that is all for today's video. Don't forget to download the Poshmark app. I'll leave the link down in the description box down below, and you can shop my closet where I'll be basically listing a lot of the things that I decluttered. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. That is all for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a like. And if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. If you want to keep up to date with me throughout the week, you can follow my Instagram. It is Living as Karina. That is all for me, folks. Love y'all, and I'll see you soon. Bye.